Today, we will talk about luxury life of Dubai. You wake up in the morning to the cool breeze, and at one click your personal butler comes over, takes your breakfast in bed order. Surrounded by the wonderful aromas of the breakfast and coffee, you eat your grand breakfast, sitting upon the soft Egyptian cotton sheets of the rotating bed in your room overlooking the cool, perfectly calm sea. A line of darker blue marks the curve of the horizon. A lavish bath in the jacuzzi, covered in the bubbles of Hermes products. Dressed in your best, you leave the soft comfort of your room for a day filled with shopping spree at the best international luxury brand boutiques and a lunch at restaurants with the most gastronomical cuisines, topped by devouring a 23-karat gold-covered cupcake. Post the appetizing lunch, you spend the hot afternoon by pampering yourself to a spa session and relax. As evening draws close on the sun-soaked palm-adorned paradise, you enjoy your hot air balloon ride, looking over the endless desert dunes and the cotton candy sky, which promises an eternal view to the heavens. Later, you stop for a dinner under the starlit night at one of the best restaurants in the city. Enjoying the glittering view of the city at the rooftop restaurant, you sip on your cocktail. Soon you retire for the day, slip into your silk nitrous, and back to the softness of your bed to another day, filled with adventure and luxury. Well, that's how a day in the luxurious lifestyle of Dubai would look like. Famous for its luxury lifestyle, Dubai is an emirate of total 7 emirates of UAE and the most popular place of UAE. With a population of over 3.1 million people, Dubai oozes out luxury and sophistication. Surrounded by the tallest and record-breaking skyscrapers, the city is the destination place for many who dream of a lifestyle as such. You don't even have to wait to step down on the land of luxury to experience their culture. The minute you get on board an Emirates Airline, you're engulfed by the luxury. You can enjoy a world-class first class with cushy leather seats. Say goodbye to the cramped seats with no leg space because here are seats which can be reclined to become a bed with sliding doors, a lounge with personal bartenders, and a shower stocked with Bulgari toiletries too. Besides the best entertainment system, you also get a range of culinary cuisines to choose from and a complimentary door-to-door chauffeur service for pickup and drop from your destination and to the airport. When you're just about to land, you'll be greeted with a video showing the best of Dubai, its hotels, shopping, cars, and the luxury. Emirates Airlines is based in Dubai and is fully owned and governed by the government of Dubai. Other such airline services include Etihad Airlines, Air Arabia, and Fly Dubai. If you are the one who hates seats with limited recline, listening to instructions of the flight attendant to wear your seatbelts and eat the canned food, and if you wish there was a better way to fly, then Dubai Airlines are your knight in shining armor. Dubai is the crown jewel of the United Arab Emirates. It has the most lavish, expensive, and famous hotels known to mankind. There's no other way to explore the luxury of the city than giving a stay in one of the most luxurious hotels on the earth. Let us start with the best, Burj Al Arab Jumeirah. Even if you haven't really researched about Dubai, there is barely anyone who hasn't seen the iconic building of Burj Al Arab, even if it's on your Instagram feed. The way we associate the Statue of Liberty with New York, Burj Al Arab is associated with Dubai. Standing on a man-made island, the hotel is shaped in the form of a giant sail. If you're a guest of the hotel, you get a pick-up and drop service by a white Rolls-Royce, and that is if you haven't opted for the chopper service to and from the Dubai International Airport. Out here, everything that shines is in fact gold. With a magnificent architecture, the hotel is part of Dubai's skyline. But Burj Al Arab isn't the only 5-star hotel. Like Burj Al Arab, hotels like the Palm Atlantis, one and only the Palm, the Marriott Marcus Dubai, Armani Hotel Dubai at Burj Khalifa, Four Seasons at Jumeirah Beach, are one of the top hotels in Dubai. Each hotel is unique in its own, with its minimalistic designs, classic architecture, and views overlooking the wonderful city. A heaven for the shopaholics, Dubai will send shivers down one's spine when one steps into the city. Put on a dress designed by Versus, slip into a gorgeous pair of Jimmy Choos, and ace your look with a chic handbag from Gucci or Michael Kors. People from all around the world flock to Dubai for their luxury shopping and their exotic vacations, a home to hundreds of international luxury brands like Galleries Lafayette, DKNY, Coach, Rodeo Drive, Michael Kors, Nike Roberto Cavalli, Carolina Herrera, Hugo Boss, and so many more. Dubai is the fashion hub. If you have the cash to splurge, hire a personal stylist will guide you through your shopping spree. You'll also get facilities to use the lounge, a golf buggy car service to travel around the mall, and access to premium shows and events. Since the climate in Dubai is mainly hot, people flock to the malls not only for shopping but also leisure and dining. With heady discounts on luxury brands like Givenchy, Gucci, Stella McCartney, Alexander Wang, Cursive, Giorgio Armani, Bloomingdale's, Dubai houses hundreds of malls and places for a luxury shopping experience. The best places to shop include the Dubai Mall, Dubai Shopping Festival, Dubai Outlet Village, Mall of the Emirates, Mercado Shopping Mall. If you want the old-world charm of Dubai, you can also try the souk markets and Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard. No matter which place you go, Dubai offers an unparalleled shopping experience for all categories. Dubai is popularly referred to as the world's largest shopping and entertainment destination. If you're going to be stuck in traffic for an hour, you might as well do it in style, right? Cars are more than just plain vehicles for traveling from one place to another in Dubai. You stop at any parking lot of any mall or a building, and you'll see a fleet of the latest models of Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Rolls-Royce, Maseratis, or Porsches. Moreover, it's called the City of Gold for a reason. You'll also find gold-plated cars in Dubai purring at a signal or in the driveway. Dubai has such a luxurious lifestyle and lavish living that luxury cars just complement their way of living. Life in Dubai also supports maintaining such cars, whether it's the tax-free salary, clean big roads, or even the obvious low price of petrol. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. You please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.